In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vibe code your online store with Hostinger Horizons. If you're ready to explore a new way of building web apps without any coding experience, then stick around as we dive into this user-friendly, AI-powered platform. Hostinger Horizons is designed for anyone looking to create functional and beautiful web applications. Whether you're aiming to kickstart a personal project, set up a small business platform, or launch a micro SaaS venture, this tool provides a complete package of building, hosting, and publishing, all in one place. With its intuitive interface, it's perfect for beginners and experienced creators alike. To get started, head over to the Hostinger Horizons AI Web App Builder. They offer a free trial, which is a fantastic way to explore the platform without any initial commitment. Once you're there, the first step is to describe your idea using natural language prompts. Simply tell the AI what you envision for your online store and watch it work its magic. This no-code approach means you can articulate your vision in plain words without worrying about coding syntax or structure. Next, after the AI translates your idea into a preliminary design, you'll want to preview and customize it. Hostinger Horizons makes it incredibly easy to adjust the layout, design, and features of your store on the fly, allowing you to tailor each detail to fit your brand's identity perfectly. Before you publish your app, it's crucial to test and iterate. Use the live preview feature to experience the functionality of your site firsthand. This allows you to make any necessary tweaks and ensure that every element works as intended, creating a seamless experience for your future users. While vibe coding offers a novel and powerful way to bring ideas to life, there are some limitations to be aware of. AI-generated code can sometimes be messy or inefficient, so it's important to clean up the code as you go along and maintain a modular structure. Projects can also become chaotic without a long-term plan, so once your prototype is in place, consider adding more organization. Debugging might present challenges, but don't hesitate to use AI to help explain or fix errors. Also, always be vigilant about security by conducting thorough testing and using sandboxed environments to close any potential gaps. As we look to the future, vibe coding is set to play a significant role in how applications are built. It's been gaining popularity, particularly within indie hacker communities, and predictions suggest that by 2026, a significant portion of applications will be developed using no-code tools. While vibe coding isn't ready to replace traditional coding for many tasks, its potential for creativity and rapid prototyping is undeniable. So think of vibe coding as a creative playground where you can bring your ideas to life quickly and efficiently. As technology and AI continue to evolve, who knows how this tool will grow? For now, it's an exciting time to experiment, innovate, and start building something amazing with Hostinger Horizons.